At Exchange Right, our mission is to provide investments that feature strong income, secure capital, and a strategic exit. Our latest 1031 DST offering, Net Lease Portfolio 22 DST, is a portfolio of 15 single-tenant properties with long-term leases to multi-billion-dollar national credit tenants that operate successfully in the necessity retail space. Starting net cash flow to investors is 6.25% and is forecasted to grow to 6.89% by year 10 of the hold period. The weighted average initial lease term is 12.03 years. All leases have multiple renewal provisions after the initial lease term, and most of the leases provide rent escalations throughout the lease term or renewal periods. The properties in the portfolio are collectively 100% occupied and operated by CVS, Pick and Save with Kroger Guarantee, Walgreens, Fresenius Medical Care, First Midwest Bank, BioLife Plasma Services, Dollar General, Tractor Supply, and Family Dollar. The portfolio provides investors with access to significant diversification by geography, tenant, and industry. These tenants are well suited to provide investors with long-term, reliable income and wealth preservation, whether national economic fundamentals are strong or weak. NLP 22 features 10-year term, fixed-rate, interest-only financing with a 4.32% interest rate throughout the entire term. The loan-to-offering price is 52.45%, and the debt service coverage ratio averages 2.43 to 1. Our debt coverage ratios remain among the highest in the industry to protect investor capital. Interest-only financing eliminates phantom income taxes from amortization and generates an attractive cash flow upon our eventual exit. At Exchange Right, we designed our 1031 investment and exit strategy to protect our investors' cash flow and capital through the next recession and as inevitable risks assail the market. By utilizing significant diversification and scale, our offerings are not overly dependent on any one property, location, tenant, lease, industry, debt term, or sale period for their cash flow and value. Our 1031 investment and exit strategy is also structured to pay stable cash flow through economic and real estate market cycles, debt maturities, and lease rollovers. Maintain significant flexibility and control to protect capital and maximize investor returns. Safeguard investors from being forced to sell before the time is right. And preserve investors' ability to complete a 1031 exchange upon exit. Exchange Right currently manages over $1.3 billion in assets, diversified over 11 million square feet, across over 435 properties and 32 states on behalf of investors. All of our offerings are meeting or exceeding investor distribution projections. Please consult the private placement memorandum for a more detailed overview of the risks and benefits of NLP 22. This video is not a solicitation to buy securities, as that can only be made by the offering private placement memorandum.